Hey Taybase, it's Taya. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we have another wig review on this wig from Unice Hair. If you want to hear a few more details about this wig and see how I styled and applied her, then keep on watching. Okay, so as I mentioned, this wig did come from Unice Hair. This is their Ombre Honey Blonde Money Piece Highlight Curly Lace Front Human Hair Wig. She did come with some goodies in the bag. I got mine in the 16-inch length. It does come in lengths ranging from 14 inches to 24 inches. So I got it in 16 inches. The density is 150%. And I got mine in the 13x4 lace front style. They do also offer it in a T-part style as well, but I opted for the 13x4. She does have two combs on the side, one in the back, and adjustable straps. I really love the color on this one. It is so pretty. I actually have another wig from Unice Hair that is straight and a T-part wig that's a very similar color, which is why I grabbed this one. I wanted to get this color in a curly style. As you can see, she does come with baby hairs that are pretty decent length for you to be able to cut them down, which you'll see me do later on. The lace on this one was actually kind of a brown color, had kind of a brown tint to it. It also had a really good hairline on it, as you can see in the clips as well. I really liked the natural curl pattern that this wig came with. You'll see me later on in the clips adding some products to the wig, trying to like accentuate the curls, and I actually, in hindsight, like the curls a lot better in their original state before I mess with them at all, but we'll get into that. So I did go ahead and sew an elastic band in this wig just because I know that in the future I'll likely just wear it without gluing it down. So I always put an elastic band in every one of my wigs because it's just easier for me. I really don't like gluing my wigs down in general. But yeah, I didn't do too much to this wig. I'm going to let you watch me go ahead and apply this wig, and then I'll come back and share some more thoughts.
Blocked your phone, you can't try, but they always come back running. Yeah, they wish that they still knew me. Always come back running. Yeah, they wish that they still knew me. Always come back running. Yeah, they wish that they still knew me. Always come back running. Yeah, they wish that they still knew me.
Okay, so once I had her on my head, I went ahead and added a little bit of product to the wig. I was really trying to get those curls to pop or just really see how it reacted to water and the product. So I sprayed it down with some water and then added some of my Motions mousse to the wig. And initially when it was wet, I thought it looked pretty good. I liked how the curls were forming, and here you can kind of see a side by side of it dry versus with the water and the mousse in it. I ran my paddle brush through the hair as well to try to get the curls to form a little bit better. Now what I noticed is that as the hair started to dry, and it did dry pretty quickly actually, but as it started to dry, I did not like how it looked. It got very puffy, the curls lost all definition. That mousse really did not, in my opinion, work very well for these curls. I wasn't digging it. So I went back to the drawing board, wet the curls again, and tried to add a little bit of Eco Styler gel to see if that would help it at all. I do think that temporarily it made the curls look a little bit better than it did with just the mousse, but ultimately I don't think that I would really use either of these products again in the hair. What I'm going to do is just give it a nice co-wash with a conditioner, and I think that will help it a lot, and then try to be pretty minimal with the products that I use in it, and really try to just keep it in its natural curly state as much as I can with as little product as I can, because I just didn't feel like it reacted very well to the products that I added to it. But I still thought that in general it was a really pretty style, very, very pretty color. The hair when it initially came out of the package was super soft and felt really, really nice. So that was also really great. Overall, I would say that I did really like this wig. She was super pretty. I love this color. I also feel as though I would prefer to wear this in a side part rather than a middle part. So I did try to do a quick little flip over with the wig, mainly because I already had it attached to my head. I already had her secured to my head. So I did a quick little flip over to see what the side part would look like on me. It was pretty cute, but I actually think that if I was to wear it in a side part, I would just shift the wig to the side with the part that it already has. Yeah, that is all for this wig. I thought that she was super pretty, love the color, and I think that if you're looking for a ombre or a highlight curly wig at an affordable price, this is a pretty good option for you. I tend to like Unice wigs. They tend to be pretty good quality, and this one was just under $200, I believe, when I purchased it. If you have any questions, please go ahead and leave them down in the comments section. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and like this video before you take off. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button before you take off as well, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.
Got a new look, blocked your phone, you can't